This is what happens when you have a woman as a president and chief executive of a hospital. Hey, you know that 2-year-old that we just admitted? Mom is here with the child as well as the 5-year-old sibling. There's nobody to take care of the 5-year-old sibling. But our policy states that siblings are not allowed to stay overnight. So mom is just gonna have to go home with the 5-year-old and leave the 2-year-old here. That's the policy, and I don't think there's anything that we can do about it. That may be the policy, but there absolutely has to be something that we can do about it, because expecting a mother to leave her 2-year-old child here alone because she doesn't have childcare for her other child is absolutely absurd. We need to escalate this further. Let's call the nursing supervisor. She's saying that's the policy and that the mom's just gonna have to go home with the 5-year-old and leave the 2-year-old here alone. Yeah, we're not gonna accept that. Hi, thanks for taking the call. We have a mom who came in with her 2-year-old. The 2-year-old is admitted to the hospital, and the sibling is also here. Mom doesn't have anybody to take care of the 5-year-old, and our policy states that siblings aren't allowed to stay overnight, and so they were told that the mom would have to leave with the 5-year-old and leave her 2-year-old here. I think that that could be very traumatizing for the child. I feel that it's really important for him to continue to be admitted. We need to find a way to allow the mom to stay here with her child as well as the 5-year-old sibling.
Yeah, it certainly sounds like keeping the family unit together would be the best thing for the health and safety of this child. So as long as our census isn't super high and we can accommodate the family, I think it's perfectly fine and in fact necessary for the health and safety of the child.
Yeah, I 100% agree. Thank you so much for taking the call. I really appreciate your time. And that's what happens when you have a woman president and chief executive of a hospital.